In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can crop your videos in DaVinci Resolve 20. So cropping can be done in the edit environment or in the cut environment. It's the same steps. You go to the inspector tab here to the right, click this one open, and then you have cropping here. And in cropping, you can choose to crop left, right, top, bottom. You can even add some feather to it if you want. You can just give in the exact dimensions if you know them, or you can just slide, and you can also retain your image position. And also all these diamond icons here mean you can also add some keyframes to it and make it animated. But that's the easy way to crop your video in DaVinci Resolve 20 using the inspector tab in either the edit environment or the cut environment. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.